This is our prototype of mechanical ventilator, and this is our interface. In the interface we have first auto test. The function of auto test is evaluate for things. There is not lag in inspiration, no problem in expiration, there is not lag in neutral, ventilator ready to start. The function is doing the on-off system, like we have in the video. So, the second part is the mode 1.
The mode 1 is ventilation with pressure support. Is a spontaneous ventilation mode in which each inspiratory effort of the patient is assisted by the ventilator up to a programmed limit of inspiratory pressure. The mechanical function is the compressor stays on, the turn on the valve, and the two turns off, and the cycle starts again.
Finally, we have the mode 2. Mode 2 is the CPAP. CPAP is where the patient ventilator makes spontaneous breathing with a constant level positive pressure, like showing in this part. This is the function in the CPAP ventilation. The pressure